Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at decimal and binary number systems. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have this decimal number 59 base 10 and we want to convert this one into binary. We are going to see how to do that. So in order to convert from decimal to binary, what we have to do is we have to keep on dividing this one until we get 0. So if I divide this one, 59 divided by 2, which is 29, and then there's a remainder of 1, and then 29 divided by 2, that which is 14, and there's a remainder of 1, and then 14 divided by 2, and that is 7, and there's no remainder, so it's 0, and then 7 divided by 2, which is 3, and there's a remainder of 1, and then 3 divided by 2, which is 1, and there's a remainder of 1, and then 1 divided by 2, which is 0, and there's a remainder of 1. So once we get 0, we stop right there, and then from here we start from bottom to top, and that's our conversion. So here we have 1 1 1 0 1 1, and that's equivalent to 59. If you want to convert this one again into decimal, you can try that. You know that from here is start from 2 power 0 location to 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, so on. So here 2 power 0 times 1, which is 1, and then 2 power 1 times 1, which is 2, and then 2 power 2 times 2 power 2 times 0, which is 0, and then 2 power 3 times 1, which is 8, and then 2 power 4 times 1, which is 16, and then 2 power 5 times 1, which is 32. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 8 is, which is 11, 11 plus 16, which is 27, 27 plus 2, 29, 59. So we get 59, right? And then again, if you want to try another number, 21.75 base 10, and if you want to convert this one into binary, first we convert the whole number. Fraction we can take care of it later. So let me remove all these things so we have enough space to do this. Okay, so first of all, let's say we have 21.75 and the base is 10, and this one base is 2. So first I want to convert the whole number into binary. So 21 divided by 2, which is 10, and the remainder of 1, and then 10 divided by 2, which is 5, there's no remainder, so this is 0, and then 5 divided by 2, which is 2, and there's a remainder of 1, and then 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and there's no remainder, so which is 0, and then 1 divided by 2, which is 0, and there's a remainder of 1, and then we go from bottom to top, which is 1 0 1 0 1, and for the fraction part we take it separately, 0.75, and then we multiply this one by 2 until we get 0 0 for this, like similarly. So let's see how does that one happen. So if you multiply 0.75 times 2, which is 1.5, so we take the 1 separately and then put the 0.5 here, and then we keep on multiplying this fraction part by 2 until we get until we get 0 for it. So here if I get 0.5 times 2, which is 1, and this part is 0. So once we get 0, we stop right there, and this one we look from top to bottom. So this is 1 1, so this is 1 1, and that's the binary conversion of this decimal number. Okay, now let's look at another example. Okay, let's say we have a number like 6.28 and the base is 10. We want to convert this one into binary. We take the whole number part, which is 6, and then we convert this easily, like divide this one by 2, which is 3, and the remainder is 0, and then 3 divided by 2, which is 1, and then there's a remainder of 1, and then 1 divided by 2, which is 0, and the remainder is 1. So we take it from top to bottom, which is 110, and then for the fraction part, 0.28 multiplied by 2, which is 0.56, so 0 plus 0.56, and then 0.56 multiplied by 2, which is 1.12, so 1 plus 0.12, and then 0.12 multiplied by 2, which is 0 plus 0.24, and then 0.24 multiplied by 2, which is 0.48, which is 0 plus 0.48, and then 0.48 multiplied by 2, which is 0.96, so 0 plus 0.96, and then 0.96 multiplied by 2, which is 1.92, so 1 plus 0.92, and then 0.92 multiplied by 2, which is 1.84, 1 plus 0.84, and then 1 plus 0.84, and then 0.84 multiplied by 2, which is 1.68, so 1 plus 0.68, and you see it's keep on going. It seems like it's not gonna end soon. So if you have a situation like that, you can stop by 8 digit. So here we already have 8 digit already, so we can stop it right there, and then put the answer right here, unless if they mention specifically in the questions that you have to convert up to this much fractional value, then only you have to worry about other number. Other times like between 5 to 8 is enough. So this one is enough, so we just put the number, which is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1, and that's our binary conversion of this decimal number. And that's it for this video. See you guys on my next video.